Good morning, children. Welcome to 9th standard. In this year, we have two parts of maths. Maths part 1 is said to be the algebra, maths part 2 is said to be the geometry. Now I am going to start with the maths part 1, which is said to be the algebra. In that, I am going to start with the chapter number 1, set. In this chapter, we are supposed to study about sets, equal set, subset, number of element in a set, type of sets, universal set, Venn diagrams, intersection and union of sets. Some pictures are given here. Now just it contains the group of things you know. The first picture is of the picture of flower bouquet. Second is a bunch of keys. Third is the flock of birds, and fourth is a pile of notebooks, and last picture shows the collection of numbers. Now these are all the examples of set. Why? Because it is a collection of an object. Now the question arises is how you are going to decide whether it is a set or not. For that I may give one more example. Now you observe the collection. Happy children in the village, brilliant student of your class. In both the above example, the words happy and brilliant are relative terms because the exact meaning of these words to be happy and to be brilliant differ from person to person. Therefore, these collections are not set. So for just have an idea about the set, I want to share one more examples related whether you have to decide it is an set or not. Now the first example is of days of a week. So this is an example of a set. Second is the month in a year. This is also an example of set. Third, the brave children in the class. This is not an example of a set. Now the fourth is the first 10 counting numbers. So it is also an example of a set. Let's learn about the set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. Any set can be written by using the capital letters from A to Z. The members and the element of the sets are shown by the small letter. Now I write the set A having an element A, E, I, O, U. Now in this A is a set which I use the capital letter, and A, E, I, O, U are the elements or the member of set A which I have written by using the small letter. Now there are two methods to write any set. First is the listing method or the roster method. Second is the rule method or the set builder form. Now in the listing method, we write all the elements of a set in the curly bracket. Each of the elements is written by only once and separated by the commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set A. Now I am going to give an example related with this set. Suppose I have to write an odd number between 1 to 10. So I have used the set A. Odd number between 1 to 10 is what? 3, 5, 7, 9. Or I can write this set A as in this form also. 5, 7, 3 and 9. The number of now set A having an element 5, 7, 3, 9. What I explained about this method, each of the element is written only once and separated by the commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary. The all elements should be there in a given set. So this is a way to write any set by using listing method or the roster form. Now the second method is the method of rule method or the set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of the elements but write the general elements using the variable followed by the vertical line or the colon and write the property of the variable. Now for giving the example of this method, now A is the set for all the values of x such that x belongs to n and 1 is less than x less than 10. And I am going to read this set as set A is the set of all x such that x is the natural number between 1 to 10. Now I am going to give more examples related with both the method. Now I want to give the example. Each set is written in both the method. Now it is a rule method or the set builder form, listing method or the roster form. Now see the example which is written in the set builder form or rule method, and I have to write this set in the listing method. What is given in the set builder form? A is the set for all the values of x such that x is a letter of the word division. Now I have to write the set builder form to the listing method, and I have to remember those 2 points which I explained while writing any set in the listing method. Now I have to write only once and put the commas. So it is what? In the word division, I repeated 3 times, so I may use only once a time. So the element of set A which is written in the listing method is A is a set having an element DIVSON. Now second is the set which is written in the listing method, and I have to write this to the set builder form. Now B is a set having an element -3 and 3. What is this -3 and 3? They are the roots of 9. Now what I have to convert the listing method of this set into the set builder form as B is the set for all the values of y such that y is the number such that y square equal to 9. Now the third example which is written in the form of set builder form, and I have to write this in the listing method. What is the question written in the set builder form? C is the set for all the values of set z such that z is a multiple of 5 and less than 30. So multiple of 5, we have to just think this 2 point, multiple of 5 and moreover it should be less than 30. So what are the elements come under this set C? Multiple of 5 and less than 30 means C set having an element 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Less than 30 and moreover it is a multiple of 5, so 30 will not come in this set. So this is the example. You have to fill this and give the homework to me.